Hello everyone, how you guys doing out there? Just wanted to make a quick video. If you saw our video a couple days ago, we went to Spirit Halloween store to kind of see what stuff they had there and animatronics. They didn't have that many things out. Like a lot of the animatronics have not been out there yet, so we're gonna head back there in a couple weeks and check it out and see what other things they've added. But I also put in a description on there that I received I want to do an unboxing. So I have this box here, and there's something special in there. So, well, obviously you know what it is. It's Killer Klowns, because I put it in the video description, or the name of the video. So if you've seen, a few months ago, I received the Halloween mask. Halloween 2, I had the Tots, which is Trick or Treat Studios, and I had it rehauled to get it more screen accurate. So I showed you guys a video. I'll put it in the description below, so in case you're interested and you didn't see that video, you can take a look at that and see my mask collection. I'm actually working on getting a Tots rehaul for Halloween Kills, the new movie that's coming out. So it has like burn marks on the side. So I'm going to get that too, so I'll do an unboxing of that in the future. But I'm very excited to get this. DSS Masks is a gentleman that does a great job creating masks. I bought from him a year ago just a head mask for Jason, like the Jason body, like that, just the head. It's all bloody and bulging out, kind of like, you know, from the movie. So for Halloween, I'm not going to show that yet, because for Halloween this year, that's who I plan on dressing up as. And with the hockey mask, I got the green shirt that he wore from Halloween 3 or 4, I forgot which one. But I'll show you guys that at the Halloween party we go to in October. So this thing, though, this is from DSS Masks, and I'll put some descriptions in there. I'll put some information on there, but I'm not sure if you guys know, but Halloween, I'm on the Halloween kick. But Killer Klowns from Outer Space was a movie that came out in 1988, and, you know, it's a corny movie, funny, one of my favorite movies, you know, of all time. And not meaning it's like, not Academy Award winning, but just fun. It's like a cult classic now, and over the last 3 or 4 years, it's actually come back in popularity. And in 2018, I'll put some pictures while I'm talking, when I'm editing the video. In 2018, they actually had a scare zone at Halloween Horror Nights in Orlando that we went to. It was awesome. They had the characters walking around. They had the ice cream truck. They had the cotton candy people. Or the cotton candy cocoons, let's say, with people's bodies inside of them. So it was pretty cool. And I have a knife in my hand just for the box, so don't get scared of that. But yeah, so it's pretty cool. And I'm looking forward to opening this. I'm not going to tell you who it is yet, so once I open it, you'll see who it is. And then I'll try to put in between some of the videos, some of the pictures that we took. We weren't vlogging back then in 2018. We started vlogging in 2019, so we don't have any videos and things like that. We have a few pictures from Halloween Horror Nights. And it comes in a little box like this. And I crossed out the address. Just in case we get really big on YouTube, I don't want crazy people coming over waiting for us at our house and waiting outside. Or if they don't like us, coming here and telling us they don't like it, waiting for me outside. But we'll probably never get that big. Alright, so here we go. Oops, let me get it out of there. So it actually has a nice little red apron on here to put around his neck. Wow, this is pretty heavy too. So I'm going to back a little bit and take this wrapper off. Wow, look at this. That is amazing. Look at that. The work on here is awesome. The nose is shiny. The red hair. And it came with this too, so I could put it around here when I display them. The display, but the work on this. So if you guys don't know, this is Rudy from Killer Klowns from Outer Space. So Rudy is one of the clowns that, if you recall from the movie, or if you don't, I mean, obviously, you're not going to understand what I'm saying, but in case you did or you liked the movie, Rudy was the one that when he went to the drugstore, he was knocking over everything, and one of his partner clowns came in there and shot him with shaving cream out of the bottle. So that's him. And we do a full view work around. Look at the quality of work, and I'll put DSS Masks, I'll put their information out there, I'll put their website on there, and also a link to their Facebook page. And check out their page. They have a lot of cool stuff there. And that's it. If you have any questions on anything like that, just let me know. Any questions on this, or reach out to me. Ask questions on YouTube. And I look forward to showing you guys more masks that I have. Again, next month I'll show you guys the Jason outfit, and I have a whole shirt, mask, the head body, everything with a machete. I'm gonna get all bloodied up and all that good stuff, and I'll show you guys that. We're gonna be up at our summer place, and they have a Halloween party every year. Well, hopefully they have. It depends on how COVID's doing in a couple months, but there you go. So I'll show you guys really quick, one more full view around. And there's Rudy. Alright guys, see you guys soon. Take care. Okay, so here's Rudy, guys.